Sitting in the work booth, about to do another knife first impression. Just quick visuals while we get these residuals. What we're reviewing or taking a first look at today. Oh shit, it's a Balisong. Not only is it a Balisong, it might be the nicest Balisong on the market. The Benchmade Model 85. Comes with this nice little sheath, similar to a magazine sheath you might have with a gun. Slides in there nicely, but we're not here to see that. We're here to see this. Let's look at that millwork real quick. These are solid billet titanium handles. That means each handle is made entirely of one piece. So squeeze it and it pops open right there. And we'll just... Sorry, had to get a little fancy. Not really. Just had to open it. Forced to have it. I mean, damn. That is a beautiful, beautiful knife. I mean, this handle's literally one piece. You get the bearings and the knife, and that's it. Nice blade shape, good bevel, strength with the tip.
Look at yourself.
Flip it over.
Matter of fact, take yourself outside your body and then look at yourself.
S30V.
See how you playing yourself, nigga.
Look at the holes that match the body of
It's the motherfucking chase.
handles.
You feel me?
It will lock open as well. And I just want to show one thing about this knife. That's one of my favorite things. Is the sound it makes when it clicks shut. Like, that's quality. That's satisfying. I spent some blue notes on this. I definitely spent some blue notes on this. Well, I guess I did. Talk more about it soon, but this is a good first impression. That's for damn sure.